So, yung parang sabi mo you were having doubts about taking this role of management.
Correct, sir.
Tama? And saan nanggagaling yung doubts mo?
Nanggagaling siya dun sa mga what if na kaya ko ba yung role, kaya ko ba yung something bigger na position, kaya ko na ba mag-step up? Kasi not for me na for a team na kasi siya. So meron pumapasok po dun is yung leadership. So kaya ko na ba hawakin yung ganitong tao? Kasi before I handle people, pero more on logistic and operation. But right now kasi involved siya is kumukausap ng customer. So medyo malaki yung scope na
Yan yung
hawakan.
difference, ano?
Yes.
Okay, alright.
Sa operation kasi, more on command ka lang dun sa tao, then as is na yung process. While dito sa management kasi is hinahanapan kami ng sales. So isa rin po yun sa big factor.
Kaya
Of course,
mo ba
the
sa
pressure.
sales?
Yes, so kaya ko ba? Capable ba ako to handle yung position na to? Kasi ang tinitingnan ng management is yung leadership ko for them, hindi naman for them. Kasi sa akin nakasalalay Kasi ako may hawak dun sa team. So, yun yung nakikita ko, sir. So, I'm having a doubt kung capable ba ako na hawakan to. Yung pinapatarget na quota, marireach ko ba siya? So, may mga realization, sir. Tapos, sinabi kasi doon na parang, dapat you're 100% willing na masasacrifice ng personal time mo. May mga schedule ka na hindi na magagawa kasi kailangan full dedicated ka sa work.
Tama.
So, dapat yung mindset mo gano'n. So, I was having a question sa sarili ko, kaya ko ba siya? So, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, nasimulan ko na siya since September, weekly we have a planned trip. So, I canceled that. Tapos, this coming 24, we have a team building. So, I canceled already. Then, October 18, we have another plan na naman. So, I canceled already. So, I tell the family. So, I think doon na pumasok yung tanong ko na, I think kaya naman siya hawakan.
Okay. Good.
But,
Yes,
yun
but.
na doon
Ano
na,
yung but?
may but na.
Ano naman yung but?
May but na
Maraming
naman.
may but. Ano yun?
Yes, sir. Kasi
Ano
nandun
yung
ako
but?
sa phase na I was doubting myself kung kaya ko ba siya. At the same time is 50-50. I wanted to focus sa work. At the same time, I wanted to magkaroon ng life-work balance. So, ganon. So,
Sige.
doon kasi papasok, masasacrifice yung time mo, personal time, time sa family mo, sa sarili mo. So, dapat mag-focus ka kasi hindi na lang as ikaw. So, you have a team na hahawakan. So, dapat ang goal mo is to cater din sila, i-assess din sila.
Sure,
Kasi yun
sure.
yung part ng job mo. So, I was having a hard time kung choose either a career or work-life balance.
Sige.
Yeah.
So, itong question ko, if you do choose a career for the next 2 years, anong mangyayari kaya sa'yo after 2 years? Kung ito talagang finocus mo ito.
Yeah. If i-choose ko yung career for the next 2 years, kung mag-i-start na ako, nakikita ko for sure ang laki ng improvement. In terms of corporate life, malaki na yung improvement niya talaga.
nakikita
For
mo
now kasi
after 2 years?
specialist ako.
Oo,
I
after
think
2
for your
years kaya.
guidance,
Anong mangyayari kaya kay Elise after 2 years?
Yeah, let's be honest. It's something for managerial something na for the next 2 years. So, dapat
How does that feel?
it was happy, but at the same time, again, I'm having a doubt again if I will choosing a personal time or for the long run yung iisipin.
So, iniisip mo kung short time enjoy or long run success. Tama ba?
Correct, sir.
So, yan ang
Correct, sir.
iniisip
Kasi
mo.
right now,
So, gusto mo nag-i-enjoy.
But at the same time, while enjoying, I wanted to be sana balance. But dun sa role kasi nahahawakan, hindi You need to sacrifice.
Kasi matututo ka pa di ba?
Yes.
Tama ba?
Correct, sir. So, yung advice nyo earlier is you need to sacrifice. Kung meron tayong 9 times a week, you need to work. Kung kaya pumunta sa Bulacan.
9 days a week. Kung pwede 9 days a week.
Kung pwede yung pumunta ka sa Bulacan. So,
Weird,
yun yung
ano?
mga sacrifices.
Yes.
Diba? We have, may mga unforeseen tayo na cases. So, yun. Kailangan siyang isipin. So, right now, I was having a doubt sa sarili ko if it is yung long run ba or short term na. Kasi let's be honest, for sales, meron talagang blood tears talaga na
Sobra.
Blood tears and sweat.
If I'll tell you, someone like Mimi, to get where she's at, yan yung pinili niya. You can be a Mimi. You wanna be a Mimi?
I can't answer.
Do you want to be?
I wanted, but I can't answer the, for the
No. Sorry, ang tanong lang, gusto mo ba, when you are her age, 50 years old, gusto mo bang ganyan yung role mo?
Yes.
Okay. Yun lang. Stop tayo dun. I'll tell you now, you get to be that type of person because you choose this, not this.
Okay.
Because you choose this, meron dyan mga 50 years old na nandun pa rin sa opisina, na
Correct.
ganyan-ganyan. Tama ba? Am I
Correct,
making
sir.
sense?
Correct, sir. So, ako kasi, sir, ang goal ko rin na nakikita ko, I don't want to stay as associate or assistant lang. So, I wanted to explore the role.
So,
Dapat hindi ka pa-associate or representative. Dapat tataas yung, always yung goal mo.
And in this role, that is it. Sacrifice, sacrifice, sacrifice.
Okay. Kayanin.
Yun lang.
Kayanin.
Yun lang. Kasi believe me, tama ka. Maganda yung iniisip mo. Short term, long term. Short term, long term. Tama. In the end, long term, that's a mimi. Short term, humanap ka, pumunta ka sa kahit isang opisina dito na may nakita kang 51 years old na nandun lang sa computer, yun na yun. Pinili niya to.
Yes, and I think nakikita ko kasi doon, nagstay lang siya doon sa position na yon. I think wala siyang growth. So I don't want to stay na parang hanggang specialist na lang ba. I wanted to step out.
But I'm telling you, stepping up again is sacrifice. Period. That's it. It's nothing special. Hindi na, Mimi did not study MPA. She did not nothing. Believe me, she just knew she has to put the time and effort into doing this. No, sa kanya, walang weekend. I'll tell you, Mimi,
Yes, kasi
walang
even a
ganun.
weekend.
Walang ganyan.
Yes.
But in the end, what do you want? What do you want 20 years from now? Gusto mo, bumabiyahe ka pa rin, nasa tricycle, ganyan, bumabiyahe, alas 10 ng gabi, tapos uwi, tapos, or do you want a
can
home?
I open up?
Go.
Hindi po ba siya parang nakaka-burnout?
I don't know, ask her. Sandali lang.
No.
Sandali lang.
Hindi ba nakaka-burnout, ma'am?
Hindi. Mimi, are you on the phone? Yes, usapin. Nagbibenta lang yan. Ano yan? Ano yung tanong?
Full 7 days, 24 hours. So,
Yeah.
paano ka hindi mo burn out?
Tapos you
Ikaw,
don't
tell us,
have
paano hindi ka mababurn out? Paano hindi ka mababurn out?
For me, so parang to enjoy things what you do. So, parang if passionate ka doon, right? 24/7 yan. Yun yung hindi mo burn out.
Okay, tapos na tayo. You can go. You don't have to. Nasagot na yun. And then, joke. Exactly.
Correct.
You know, kasi parang now the conversation is about, she understands there's the work-life balance which is parang enjoying the short term. Or if you do that hard work, it's the long term, pang matagalan. And I told her, like you, Mimi, I don't see you anybody na extraordinary sa talino and all of those things. She didn't even take an MBA, di ba? No, nothing. But all she did was decide that she needs to hard work, sacrifice.
A lot and learn. And this is what Jay have told me. I came from a different industry, so it's the unlearn so that you could learn.
Yun, di ba? Kasi ang worry niya, sales, hindi pa ako ganyan. Hindi ko parang, she's concerned na that's something
She
new.
might not be fit for the
Yeah,
job. That's
correct,
why we
ma'am.
have the assessment. That's why we will be providing you with tools and we will be coaching you. Now, from the time that you feel that you have been, the company is putting ano sa'yo, I know you have that self-awareness naman.
Yes, ma'am.
You're putting a lot of investment to you and then you're seeing you're still not there, then I think that's the right time to make a decision.
Talagang hindi ka talaga pang sales,
Yes.
then let's talk again, let's sit down. But in the meantime,
Try
go
it.
for it, try it.
Kasi what I told them, I saw that you wanted yung willingness to learn. You wanted, and you verbalize it also to me, di ba?
Yes,
Sabi mo sa akin, you want to learn. And I'm seeing kahapon and then the other Monday when we were just meeting with the others, di ba? Parang you are, when I look at you, there's a eagerness to learn And
Meron
you-
siya. Meron
Yes,
siyang
yes,
eagerness
yes.
to learn.
So, the right formula for knowing and deepening your skills, it's there.
Mm.
Now,
Yes.
it's up to you now on how you will be able to catch up din kasi honestly, there's pressure. Here, there's pressure. So, but we will provide you with the necessary tools. Di ba? Kagaya na tinatanong ko
Yes.
doon sa mga girls, girls, what do you need? Ano, bibigay namin. This is my, kumbaga sa anak, dito ako pinalaki ng Ilana. That's why I'm passing everything doon sa mga tao.
Now, our concern is, hindi ba mababurnout kaya ako if I really this one? Sabi ko nga kasi work 9 days a week. Yun yung concern niya. How do you address that?
Ang sabi ko, what's the secret?
Oh, what's the secret lang?
Ako, like me,
Go.
I travel 2 hours every day.
Yeah.
Papunta pabalik.
Correct.
I try to find ways on how not to really pissed off of the traffic every day.
Sige, paano?
I explore. I can find some ako, parang yung boy, I go to the other different routines.
Okay.
And I really do video kay along the way.
Kaya naman pala. Pwede mong i-part mag-enjoy kumakanta ka sa...
Kasi, I love what I'm doing.
There you go.
That's number one.
Yun ang importante.
You love what you're doing.
Diba? If you love what you're doing, exactly.
That's it eh.
That's it.
Parang, even the hard time,
Wala lang.
wala yun.
Well,
And that's why I think yun yung kailangan mong malaman.
yes,
Do I
sir.
love this? Do I love
Yes.
this?
Yes, sir. Since
Dahil hindi ako
nag-start ka
mababurn
na.
out if I love
Correct.
it.
Wala tanong, may asawa ka na.
Wala, ma'am.
Wala pa. Pero may partner ka.
Yes, ma'am.
Di ba kahit mahirap?
Ang alin ang partner?
Yung partner.
Partner mo? Kasi mahal mo. Nandyan ka. Di ba?
Ayun. Yun.
Yes.
Parang pag-ibig lang to. Di ba? Kung mahal mo, yung walang burnout.
Correct.
Yes, so right now, sir, mas clear na siya. And dun sa mga binigay niyong advice. So, ang masasabi ko na lang is kayanin. So, before ko siya, or before tayo mag-usap ulit, kumbaga parang I'll try my best
Yeah.
muna.
Just try. Yes.
Yeah.
Wag mo nang unahan na
Wag
baka
na-
hindi mo kaya. Just do it.
Correct
And
po.
if it's not working out, we'll talk.
Yes, and then dito naman din po kayo for to guide me along the way and yung sa mga tools po. So, I think ayun po yung mas nagpa-clear po.
Alright. Buti na nag-usap tayo. Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, let's do this.
Thank you
can
po.
Do it. You can do it. Kasi I asked her kanina, when you get to be 54 years old, anong gusto mo? Mini ka? O 54 na pupasok tayo sa isang office dito, 54 na pa rin. Anong gusto mo?
Yes, and
What did you answer?
I answered, and I don't want to stay, I don't want to stay as a associate or specialist. I wanted to step in for the long run, like managerial position.
Ano?
So, I
Like
wanted
a
to
mini. You
experience.
wanna be
So, I don't want to stay in the office like 50. Yun nga po, yung ganong experience.
Diba? But, yun na nga. That's why I said, let's talk to you. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you po.
Alright.